Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to actually install a PHP live local development server and run your HTML file directly in VS Code. So there is an extension for this that you can install. Go to extensions tab and this PHP server if will come. Simply type the inside the extensions tab PHP server. So if you type this, the very first extension which comes. Personally I use this extension. There are a lot of extensions which will come: PHP, PHP live server, but you need to install the very first extension which comes, PHP server, and it basically serves your project with PHP. So if you are a PHP developer, it automatically adds the appropriate headers, so it automatically starts a local host local development server. So serve your project with PHP. It's got almost 3 million installs. So PHP server, simply install this extension. After that, let me create a PHP file here, index.php, and I simply write here hi, and then simply create a file here, hello world. So as you see, we are running this PHP file right here, index.php. And now to run this, it's quite easy. Once you install the extension, you will see these options appearing: PHP server, reload, open file in browser, stop the server. So these four options will come. Now to start the project, you simply select the first option, serve projects. So now as you see, it started this server, localhost 3000 index.php. So your project is running. Let me make the windows side by side. So if I make any kind of changes to it, let's suppose I change this. My name is. So now if you do want to refresh this, you simply click the second option, reload server, and it will reload the server, and automatically all your changes will be reflected back. So you can do this once you add some more content to the page. So again, you click on reload server, and now your paragraph is added. So once you make changes, you can select the second option to actually reload the PHP server, and you can open file in browser. Now if you do want to stop this, you select the last option to stop this. So it's quite a very simple way to run PHP files directly inside VS Code. As you see, this is a PHP file that we're running, and it actually saves you a lot of time. You don't need to require any extra software. So this extension, simply install this and run your PHP files directly inside VS Code, and it actually starts a local development server. By default it will run on localhost 3000. So this is the actual PHP server extension. Definitely check this out. It has its some settings, you can customize it. Go to settings section. So if you click on settings, so by default, as you can check, by default it is set to localhost, but you can even change that as well. You can directly provide where PHP is installed, the path to php.ini file. If empty, the extension uses the default path. So PHP is already installed in my system. So for this extension to work, PHP do need to install. And by default, you can also change the port number as well. So it uses 3000 port number as the default port number. So these are some of the settings you can change inside this extension, PHP server it is called. Definitely install this and start running your PHP files in VS Code.